We are live on Facebook, Amrita.
Yes.
Hello, everyone on Facebook, and of course on this platform as well. Let me see on the Facebook.
So I think I will start, Bela, with our video.
Yes, let's not waste time. Let's just start. Let's make the screen big, na, Amrita?
Hi, I'm Amrita Rajpal. I'm an early years specialist. I've been teaching for 22 years, but I've been learning my whole life. And that's why I have a company named Edu Learn Grow. I'm passionate about creating learning environments that are engaging, meaningful, and fun for children. I'm also a sports nutritionist, an avid traveler, an active Rotarian. I'm the territory head for the Early Childhood Association Mumbai. I'm the founder of EduLearn Grow and the co-founder of the ABCD show.
Hi, I'm Bela Kutwani, also known as Big B. Big for the size of my heart and B for Bela. A fun-loving person with a great sense of humor and a passionate pickleball player. National Core Committee member of Early Childhood Association, founder and principal Cosmic Kids International, co-founder Puppet Maestros and the ABCD show. An educationist and a puppeteer who helps teachers to make learning fun for children by using puppets as a tool for teaching. My vision is to help parents and teachers raise emotionally intelligent children.
Welcome to season 2 of the ABCD show. First of all, we'd like to thank all our viewers for viewing our show, for being so committed to your own learning, and for showing us all your love. We are all geared up to get you the best educators to enhance your skills and to take your knowledge to new heights.
We have some really exciting basket of offerings. We have our ABCD shows where we will call experts to talk about their best practices. We will introduce you to some really value for money and effective products and services. And we have some incredible courses that will help you gain mastery in the subject.
Season 2 has a different format. We will have Ask Amrita and Bela on alternate Wednesdays, where you will ask us your questions on child development and we will revert. And on the other 2 Wednesdays, we will have ABCD shows with speakers, or we'll showcase new products or new ideas and innovations.
So, parents and teachers, email us your questions on topics relating to early childhood development, education, and rearing on the ABCD Show 6@gmail.com. And we will be back with the answers on Facebook Live. Waiting to see you soon.
So, welcome to the ABCD show, everyone, and good evening to all of you. Our topic today is applied drama tools for joyful classrooms. Applied theatre in education encourages children to develop inquiry skills. It also enhances performance skills such as character development, storytelling, and also is used across the curriculum to actively involve the students in their own learning. Today we have with us an expert speaker, Chetna Mehrotra. Chetna is an applied theatre practitioner, a drama-based learning facilitator, a TO practitioner, playback theatre practitioner, and a dance movement language practitioner. So Chetna, you have it all in you, all right? So Chetna's vision is to take these forms of art-based facilitation to workspaces, open learning spaces, classes, and training rooms, thereby creating a culture of expression, acceptance, and love between people. Chetna has initiated, designed, and developed India's first applied theatre social arts course in collaboration with Imagine Action. She has also pioneered in an initiative in theatre in education and teaching English literature curriculum in schools through applied theatre. She's got many awards, to name a few. The Rangbhoomi has received the Best Diversity and Inclusion Award in Socio-Cognitive Diversity Practices through Applied Theatre at Best D&I Asia Practices Award and Seminars. Chetna has received the Seed of Knowledge Award in Education, Applied Theatre and Education Practices by Sanjeevani World School. Chetna's work credentials have been featured in the Pedagogy and Theatre of the Oppressed Journal, Shared Story Australia, and Teach Meet Australia. I also would like to welcome Chetna's team along with her, Roshan Karkare and Lini John Kapasi. And over to you, Chetna. I would like to understand from you, what is Rangbhoomi all about and your work in Rangbhoomi? Can you please share with the audience, Chetna?
Sure. Thank you. Thank you, Bela, for this lovely introduction. And Amrita, thank you to both of you for inviting us here today. So before we begin, how is everybody here in the room and on Facebook? How's everybody doing? Come on, guys. Yes, good. Yes, yes, like that. Okay, so yes, good, Sandhya. Good to see you up. Everybody here, chat is alive. It has to be a non-stop chaotic classroom, guys. This is not that shh wala classroom. Okay, if you have kids in the home, get them also. There will be a lot of fun that we'll be having while we learn. So tell us, Sandhya, Devina, Teresa, how are you all? Tell me. You can unmute and share.
We are good. Looking forward
Looking
Yes,
forward
to your session. Yes.
Yes, wonderful. Good. Keep those smiles and laughter alive. So let's move ahead. You can mute yourself now. As introduced, my name is Chetna and I work at Rangbhoomi, and Rangbhoomi is an applied theatre organization. And Bela's just asked us to talk about what is Rangbhoomi and about our work. So as I said, we are 10 years old, in fact, 10 and a half years old now. And we have been working, our core work is with children in the schools, with schools as a curriculum partner. And when I say curriculum partner, that means applied theatre is learned, taught in schools from grade 1 through 8 and 10 and 11 onwards, 12, also in universities too. And we also work with corporates. And that, when I say it's integrated curriculum, so a lot of children go through our subjects every week, in some schools even twice a week. And when I say twice a week, they're also learning subjects through applied theatre. Well, we will come back to what is applied theatre in a while. So I'm going to invite you all to share with me, what do you think is applied? What do you think is theatre or drama? Anybody? Hindi, English, jisme bhi aap batana chahte hain, Marathi, Gujarati. On the Facebook also, if we are live, you can also type it there and we can take responses. I'll respond later. And anybody here, theatre and drama, what do you mean by theatre or drama? You can please type it on the chat. One word answer, a 2-line answer is great. Yes. Expression of life, Sandhya. Yes, Sandhya ji, very good. Expression of life. What else? What else? Devina, Teresa, Bhavika. Come on, guys, it's a theatre workshop session. Come on, we have to be visible and alive. Yes. Have you ever done a theatre or a drama performance, watched? I heard from Amrita, she did a beautiful performance. She talked about The Good Doctor, which is also a series now available to watch. Yes, she did share. So Amrita, tell us about, you said theatre for you. You used a very beautiful word, immersive. Why would you say that when you did a play?
I think for me, I just became part of that whole drama. You know, there wasn't any Amrita left, and Amrita was part of The Good Doctor. I had to live that role. So I think it's amazing. Drama just makes you come alive.
Wonderful.
I can see Sandhya saying education alive. I think it just brings you alive also.
Yes, yes. And we can see your light of your face, the whole twinkling in your eyes change, Amrita, when you spoke that. And beautiful answers coming in, expression of emotion, Devina says, Anita, communication, Bhavika, expression of all kind of emotions. Absolutely. So theatre or drama, we'll come to it in a little while. They are definitely very different. But yes, anything, and they all have a component of all types of learners, visual, kinesthetic, oral, or even natural. And Howard Gardner talks about all those 7-8 types of learners. theater covers all of it. It is very humanly defined, texturized, the theater space. And then there's also a social space that gets built in. You can't reject your partner or a group when you're working in a theater game or a space. So it creates.
Hello.
Yeah, excuse me. Who's this?
Hello. Hello.
I don't know who's entered our class.
Is somebody off mute?
Sir,
Lini.
what is it?
Lini, yaar, abhi it's what to do, yaar. Abhi this don't want to be a boring English language class. I don't want to study, yaar.
I don't know. As it is, I don't like reading books.
Arey, take out your Ren and Martin, yaar, a Bible always. Yaar. We have to do it.
Hello.
Oh, sir. Oh,
Sir.
sir. Namaste, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good afternoon, sir. Good morning. Good morning, sir. Yes. Boring.
Sir, what are we doing?
Hello.
Sir, you are asking me?
Yes, hello.
Sir, you are calling children like and saying hello like a friend?
Of course. What is your name?
My name is Lini. My name is Lini, sir.
Lini.
Sir, को क्या हो गया है?
My name is Lee.
Lini.
Lini. And what is your name?
Chetna.
Oh, Chetna. And Roshan.
Roshan.
Sir, Roshan.
It's
sir.
okay. Roshan.
Roshan.
Lini.
Lini.
Chetna.
Chetna.
Roshan.
Roshan. Lini.
Roshan.
Okay. Sir,
Okay.
more students are there.
Yeah,
Sir,
more
sir,
people. Yes.
Amrita is also there, sir. She's very nice, sir, in acting, sir. Amrita, what about
Say
you?
your name.
Are you sure you're not going to punish me, sir?
No, not at all.
Come on,
Amrita.
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 Anyone else?
Come on, Sandhya.
Yes, come on.
Bela is also there, sir.
Sir, Bela is very nice, sir. She does.
Bela.
Oh,
Bela.
Bela.
Oh, yes.
Sandhya. Sir, Sandhya is also.
Sandhya, come on.
Yes.
Sandhya.
Sandhya.
Oh, yes, sir. That's
Okay.
fun. That's
Oh.
Everyone, Lini.
Lini.
Chetna.
Chetna.
Roshan.
Roshan.
Amrita.
Amrita.
Bela.
Bela.
And Sandhya.
Sandhya.
Okay. So now everyone get a ball and a box. Quick.
Hey, sir.
If you
Sir,
have a
English class.
Give one
Sir, English class, sir. This is grammar class, sir.
Yeah, it will happen. Just get a book, or if you have a book,
And then
you
bubble
can get a
box.
book. Otherwise, you can get a box
Okay,
or a ball.
you
Yes,
can
yes.
get a plain book and a pen also, no problem.
Come on.
Come on, all the participants, yes.
And everyone, this in,
Quickly, baby.
In,
out,
out,
in,
in,
out.
out.
UNDER under
UNDER under.
and over.
And over.
Yes, UNDER under
UNDER under.
and OVER over.
OVER over.
Yes, in,
In.
Out,
under,
Under.
over,
in, out, under, over, in, out, under, over. Yes. Come on.
So we can add more words.
Yes, come on,
Sir,
come on.
now I know. Sir, Ram, Lini, remember Ram went under the bridge.
Oh yes, and I saw plane above.
Above.
Oh, yes.
And what about you, Amrita? Can you add another word?
Yeah, this pen is beside the book.
Beside. Oh, this is beside. What else? Oh,
Superb. Yes,
sir,
anyone else?
there's
Anyone
one
else?
small participant, sir.
Hello, yes.
Please tell us. What do you want? What do you want to add?
Yes. We have in, out, under, over, above,
What
beside,
else?
anything else?
Bela, Sandhya, you can also add.
Over. I just thought of over.
Yes.
Over.
Yes.
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 Super. Okay.
In,
Over.
out. Huh?
Over. Class over.
Over.
Class over.
Sir, wait, sir, through, sir, somebody saying through. Anita, through the box. Yeah.
Okay, great, Anita.
What about next to, sir? Next to.
Oh, next
Next to, why not?
Next
Yes,
to.
come on, next to.
Next to something.
Next to.
Hey, Amrita is so amazing. I can fill in the blanks now. I'll get 10 marks.
Absolutely. So, yes, over.
Sir,
Class is
sir,
over.
wait, sir. Class is over so soon.
Below.
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 Yes,
Yes, sir,
below.
students.
Yeah,
are-
below.
Below.
Very good.
Yes.
But sir, we have to study that Ren Martin, sir. Wait.
And sir, what about assignment,
That's what we did.
question, answer?
Question answer.
We did. We
So
did preposition. That's what it is.
Oh,
Ah.
It's not over.
Preposition part of speech. Oh,
Very nice.
Hey, I'm going. Bye. Lunch break.
Lunch break.
It's a very early lunch break. It got over too soon.
Very nice. Very nice.
Oh my God, Chetna. My next question was going to be that everything that we learn is always theoretical. You know, it's all just out of a book, and you see the book and then you wonder where to go to. And how does drama change all that, and what is applied theater? I think you just demonstrated that. I don't know if my question is valid or invalid, or you have something else to say, but it was brilliant. Very nice.
Yeah, thanks. Sir.
And truly, chapter's over. You know, that's all that there is in prepositions. What more can you say?
Yes. So it's a study, actually. It's a study which is taken out by an early, teacher in theatre and education specialists like Dorothy Heathcote and Peter Slade. I recommend every teacher to read Peter Slade's work called The Child Play. And Dorothy Heathcote will keep typing, Roshan will keep typing. And he said, Peter Slade, that generally a teacher may get about 20 or 18 average sessions for a chapter or for a module, a subject. A drama can do the same subject in 5 to 6 sessions. So that is the brilliance of play, which you just saw, a concept just understood in 3 minutes down, and you will never forget it. So please, everybody in the chat, people who are participating, what did you feel? What was the experience like right now? What happened to you? Let us have more sharing. Come on. What happened to you during the experience, the exercise? This is called a theatre and education convention. Fun-filled, yes, that is fun-filled. So what made it more fun-filled, Anita? You can unmute if you don't want to come on video, no problem. Learning alongside, yes. Co-creating, that's a beautiful word you said, Anita. It's learning alongside. It is no hierarchy that, okay, Anita, we can see you, yes. So say more, Anita. Anita ji, say more.
Yeah, it's absolutely fun in terms of the words are coming across and we are just doing the actions to begin with. And then alongside that, it's basically we're learning new words, so to speak.
Wonderful, wonderful. Yes. And alongside is a beautiful word that you use. It's a co-creation. It's not, like I'm here and you must listen to me and this is what I feel is right. And we all started to add on our own. If you saw below, last tak bhi kisi ne choda nahi, sir, below also, sir, one below, sir, so we watch. So, and also the way, if somebody noticed the way, what do you feel the teacher was like in this? Would somebody like to share? What did you notice in the teacher that created this? Any words in that? I was stunned at the start. Sandhya. Okay, Sandhya, I like to know about that. Yes, so tell us more about that. That's what you're talking. Why were you stunned at the start? Tell us more.
I felt that, what's wrong with this? What is he doing? And it's like, and the children are all like, we are expecting a grammar class, and it's like, what is wrong with this? What mood is he in? Is he going to just play and time pass? What is happening? So it's excellent. I liked it very much.
Yes, absolutely. Sandhya, you touched upon something which is very beautiful, is that we thought something is wrong with the teacher.
Wrong with the teacher.
Yes, so that is ideally, hi Bindu, great to see you on screen. So beautiful colors on the screen. So yes, what you said is absolutely, what's happening with him? Are we just going to play? will play even let us even learn. You know, when I was in my school, you know, I would go back to my school in Dehradun. I had a lot of civics, geography teachers telling us and sharing theater tools. And we used to go to schools, and suddenly my principal used to announce, we have to go and walk till the canal. You know, there were a lot of Neher canal, very clean water canals, and we used to have these ek Hawaii saap hota hai, scorpions. And I know today we have to write consent letters, but that time we were all doing absolutely fine with it. And even Shakespeare.
Hey, 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 hey,
Hey, hello, excuse me. Hey, we are not. Huh?
His back looks like so his lunch break is over.
hey, 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 hey. Hey, 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 hey. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Soham, what are you doing?
I was just learning. 1, 2, 3.
With the ball. With the ball.
Yes,
What are you hiding?
And freeze. And freeze. So here we are, and we are going to touch base upon another drama convention. The first convention we did was a prop convention where there was a little prop and visual, and the preposition was taught. Here we are going to do the second drama convention called image theater. Okay, we are going to give you the screenshot and the slide in a while. So image theater. So let's go back to what's happening on the screen. So I'm going to invite you all, and this is exactly how our classroom works. If you feel like classrooms also work like this, and we encourage children to create more critical consciousness through these investigative explorations. So let's see on the screen. Who do you see on the screen? Who are these two people? Can we identify them? Tell us, who would these two people be? Just by looking at them, their words, gesture, posture, tone of words, who do you think these two people would be?
Student and teacher.
Student and teacher, Bindu says. Roshan is student. Okay, that's very clear. Sandhya, wonderful. Lynn is, okay, why Lynn is a teacher? Please, I want to know. Why that? Why that?
He's like monitoring and, you know, like, hey, what are you doing? You know, like, you know, like observing and reprimanding or, you know, just like, what are you up to? You know, like.
Yeah, the tonality. Yes.
She had an authoritative tone.
Yes.
Wonderful, authoritative, reprimanding, and that Amrita did that. You know, it is very, yes. Yes. So, okay. And why do you think Roshan is a student then? Can't he be another teacher? Or
he's playing and saying the numbers. Like children do that, right? So 1, 2, 3, like that.
Wonderful. So only children do this. You don't
mostly
we see only children.
Yeah.
Okay. So
adults no more.
Adults no more. We never do this. Okay. So let's see what's happening here. Who are these people actually? What's their relationship? Let's investigate. So this is somebody wants to share something? Yeah. Okay. So let's investigate. This is another a concept called forum theater, where we freeze in images. And I'm also writing it while we are chatting here. We're talking forum theater technique by Augusto Boal. And under that, what we do is we freeze these pieces of enactment, and we go back to you. You are not the spectator right now. You are now something called as spect actors. You are in the performance. Like I like what Amrita said, immersive. Yes, my Dadi used to always say when we used to go to Haridwar, that, you know, we are Punjabis, so she used to say, you don't have to just dip your feet, go into the Ganges. That's how you will apne paap tabhi dhulenge. You know, that's how you will gain nirvana. So you have to immerse yourself for an experience to be able to choose. So let's go to them and let's see, investigate what you just said. Teacher-student relationship, is it right? Or what? Who are they? So please, yes, you with a blue diary doing this finger. Who are you and what are you doing here? Please, live.
My name is Soham and I'm the elder brother of Mohan. I am studying so much and he's playing over there. What is this?
Oh, Mr. Elder Brother, you are parishan. You are worried that he is playing and you are studying.
Yes, I'm learning my tables and maths table, and look at him. He's just playing with the ball and numbers.
Okay, okay, you freeze. We will come back to you. Okay, so I'm going to invite Bindu. Bindu, can you say 1, 2, 3 live? Then the other person will be live. Say 1, 2, 3 live.
1, 2, 3.
Live, yes. Please speak.
My name is Mohan. I just love playing and studying together.
And who are you here? Are you related to this person?
That's my elder brother.
So
Always
this
be.
is anybody had this sibling, yes, elder brother and siblings, yes. So they said their elder brothers, their relationship is of a sibling, and let's see what they say. I think the elder brother has an issue with the play part of the younger brother. So let's ask the younger brother. Younger brother, please tell us. Are you able to score well, have good examinations, take out good marks out of your exams? Please tell us.
Because when I play, I feel fresh. Whenever I go after studies, I go and play, and at home also I play numbers. Yes, and that's why I feel fresh, and that makes me feel that I can score well.
Okay, freeze there. Okay, so now I'm going to invite somebody here from the audience to talk to the elder brother. Elder brother, yes. Soham, are you there? Yes. So can somebody talk to the elder brother and share how the younger brother Mohan is feeling very light and easy and fresh while he plays and learn? Can anybody talk? Because I think elder brother is a little rigid. Anybody who can tell us the importance of play and learn? Anybody here? Anybody here? Come on, come on. You don't need acting skills. Just a conversation.
Hemangini, are you coming on?
Hemangini, yes, you are. Oh,
I can see you connecting to audio.
Yes, yes, yes. Bhavika, Teresa, how about you? Anita, you can unmute. You don't have to come on camera. That's the best part. Oh, Anita ji, will you please like to talk to the elder brother, please? I know you can. I can see it, the energy in you. Yes. So please, when I say live, now you will too become. Oh, Bhavika is also on the screen. Welcome. So Anita ji, with Linny, with the elder brother. Soham, 1, 2, 3, both of you live. Yes, you can talk to each other.
Hi, Soham.
Ji.
How are you?
I'm good.
Looks like you're very upset. Exams or something?
No, it's not exam. It is just my daily homework. I'm not upset.
Don't worry, it'll get done.
Okay, but I'm upset with Mohan. You know, he's always playing. He's not reading. You need concentration. You need focus. Who plays and learns? Tell me, Anita ji, can anyone do that?
Yes, actually you can. Because sometimes when you play, you learn better. So it's like you don't feel the pressure of learning also. Maybe you should try it sometime.
How come?
Yes, give it a try sometime. Mohan will teach you.
And freeze. That's a beautiful answer. That you can learn from the younger one. Wonderful. A younger brother can teach that. So thank you so much, Anita ji. That takes a lot of courage to come up. So let's give a big round of applause to Anita. Yay! You are the champion here right now. It's here the champion. Wonderful. So that was and actors you can release definitely. So that was what we saw, was a glimpse of Forum Theatre. So what Anita just came in as was something called a spect-actor. She came in and spoke to the character. Can somebody please, anybody on the Facebook Live or here, guess this is a real chapter taught in schools in the NCERT books. This is a glimpse of a play, a very wonderful, famous play by a very famous Indian author. Any guesses? Two brothers, elder and younger. This author has also written Eidgah. Anybody? Okay, so that's Munshi Premchand's, yes, chapter called Bade Bhai Sahab. It's a wonderful read, and it's also taught in a lot of schools, and I have seen it in a lot of schools in Jaipur, Rajasthan. It's a part of the NCERT curriculum. So this is what can also create a subject can also, a module, a chapter can also lead to transdisciplinary learning. Rather, it definitely, there's a lot of disciplinary, interdisciplinary learning, but there's also values that one can take away from this chapter. Yes, this is so. I've written image theater work that we did. Where, just to recap, we froze in images, and then we go back to the audience, to the participants, to ask them what do they infer, what is their guess. So this is also encouraging them to co-create, own the characters. ये कोई किसी का मुंशी प्रेमचंद का character नहीं है, ये आप ही ने बनाया अभी. So they will have more ownership of it. Yes, and then we also do a spectacular intervention. What also understanding the psychology. Abhi it's not a one-way learning. Teacher taught, okay, bye, bade bhai sahab aisa hona chahiye. So there we also learning solutions, possibilities, perspective taking. Perfect, cool. So shall we? Yes, Bela ji, you are on mute. Yeah.
Chaitanya, I really love the way you had presented this thing of the freeze and then let them think what the person is doing and then, have a dialogue. It was very, very beautifully done. In fact, you've drawn a very good connection between play and arts at the same time. So superb. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. So very quickly, let's just go through it. I'm just going to invite you, first of all, let's know who's here in the room. How many of you with a raise of hand? Let's explore another tool called sociometry, okay? This is a sociometry tool where we invite children and participants to raise your hands if it's true for you, if it's not very true for you, like, okay. And if it's like this, or what another tool we use is, we can get our diaries, like who all of us like ice creams? Okay, if you don't like ice cream, who likes maths? Okay, little bit there, no problem. Okay, so this is a beautiful tool to, in fact, spend 2 minutes in the beginning of the class. Who's feeling sleepy? Do the teachers have the courage to even ask children if they're sleepy? Go ahead, investigate. Why not? We all feel sleepy, right? Sometimes or the other. Who is hungry? Okay, just 1 minute, in fact, it takes. So maybe let's understand. How many of you are teachers here in the room? Okay, so if you notice, Anita did not raise her hand. So it's very good to also observe who's there in the group. So thank you so much, everybody. Anita, what do you do there? Please tell us.
I'm a psychologist.
You're a psychologist. Perfect. Good. Okay. So, and how many of you are logging in from Delhi? Nobody. Okay. Mumbai. Okay. So, okay. What about Sandhya and Anita ji? Thank you so much. Yes.
From Nasik.
Nasik and Anita, Teresa. Yes.
Abu Dhabi.
Abu Dhabi. Okay, cool. And Teresa, you can type on the chat. Thank you so much.
Good
So,
evening. I'm from Goa. I'm a pre-primary teacher in SFX school.
Wonderful. Welcome, Teresa. Good to hear your voice. How are you feeling till now?
Very good, ma'am. I'm enjoying the session.
Okay, cool. Thanks for your contribution. So, and Bindu, you can also type on the chat if you would like to. Okay, so we're just going through, as most of you have said, you're psychologists, teachers, educators, maybe parents. Some of you are still children, as what Amrita just said. I'm a child still, a girl. Yes. So let's go through this about the importance of education, because we're going to link it to NEP in a while. If anybody has any more perspectives, you can write it on the chat. What is the importance of education? Because today we're talking about applied theater, applied drama, theater in education. These are various words that we use interchangeably, but it is all linked to classroom and education. What is the importance of education? So have you written in both in Hindi and English for viewers to see this? One is, of course, NEP clearly says at just the beginning, the first lines, if you open the NEP, says holistic development of the child, NEP 2020. Then importance of education is rachnatmak vikas hona chahiye bachcho ka, creative development. Now, creative doesn't mean, of course, we all know now, no painter or dancer, definitely yes. However, creative possibilities, what we all are going through for past 1.5, now 2 years, we all are creating possibilities. Social development. We are all social beings. We are living with each other. We can't deny, however alone we are, we want to be. कुछ interaction आपका समाज के साथ होना आवश्यक ही रहता है. There's samajik vikas. Physical development, sharirik vikas. We all see those periods of PE, sports, very important to develop our our inner body, physiology. Then very important is the aesthetic sense. सौंदर्य बोध या कला की एक समझ. Can anybody tell me why do you feel art-based or aesthetic sense development is important? What would it do? Will it fetch us money? Will it fetch us jobs? Why do you think? And all this is actually written in the NCF 2005 curriculum. If you all have read National Curriculum Framework 2005, Kothari Commission, all of them have underlined these 6-7 aspects very clearly. Any idea why aesthetics based learning is important? It helps in expression in a different way. It is therapeutic, beautiful way. What you have touched, Anita ji, is therapeutic, creates a more cathartic experiences. And if you saw right in the beginning, the teacher approached by creating that relationship, a small hello, shocked the student. That could be therapeutic too. Why not? Yes, it could kind of create that emergence of a co-creation, a non-hierarchical space between the learner and the student. And also read Bindu's message. They will learn about nature and beauty. Yes, absolutely. Appreciation. Then development of constitutional values, very important. Can anybody tell us what are the constitutional values? Anyone? This is all actually written in the NCF. Very, very important, a child to develop the constitutional values, जो आपके संवैधानिक मूल्य हैं, of liberty, justice. ये आपने सुने होंगे शायद जो constitution में पहले page पे it is written, fraternity and dignity, all, yes, it is written. So all that must be transferred into smaller micro classrooms. Very important. And these are, Roshan is also writing on the chat, yes, equality. And the next slide. Then what is the role of a teacher then? If that is education, role of a teacher, एक शिक्षक एक दोस्त जैसा हो, और कभी शिक्षक जैसा भी हो, definitely it can, he or she can be a mentor, guide, a friend. संवेदनशील होना, being sensitive. You know, you are beyond that geography teacher. The child should feel fearless while even saying that today my mother cried at home and I'm not able to pay attention in the classroom. And a lot of children actually tell us in our theater, applied theater sessions, they talk about divorces, parents still fights. Some children show us the scratches that they are beaten by their fathers. Because we create, okay, theater technique हम सिखा रहे हैं, लेकिन उसके beyond, what can they be for us? And we can be for them. Very important. तभी तो बच्चे के वो barriers नीचे आएंगे और वो सीखेगा. Then only we can create a more joyful, engaging space. Then being creative with words, you know, that how we said, who do you think these two people are? What are they doing? Who are they? What's their relationship? The W questions, who, what, when, why, yeah. And then good hold on topic. विषय पर पकड़ की बहुत जरूरत है. I know teachers keep teaching this every year, but it's important to also update and see what's happening in that social political, in that subject with a social political understanding. And then equivalence, जो है idea of being the same for all the children. Otherwise, you know what happens in classrooms? It's very, very common. I'll tell you something, okay, pay attention. In classroom, generally, it happens. Raise your hands only if you know the right answer. Classrooms में अक्सर यही होता है. अगर आपको सही जवाब पता है तो ही आप हाथ उठाएं. So always the brighter child will always be found in assemblies, in drama competitions, art competitions. What about the others? Aren't they a gift to the society and on the Mother Earth? Finding them, something will emerge. So that's exactly what drama bridges. So drama creates a lot of course, aesthetic experience, knowledge of arts, uninhibited expression. So children actually are jumping. I was telling Amrita, sorry, yes, somebody was saying, yes. Yeah, so right now you also saw yourself. Sir, Bela, sir, below, through, yes, we all became that. Yes, improvisation. We all need that in our lives. I think decision making तो सिखाते ही नहीं है स्कूल में. Every 2 hours we are making a decision. खाना क्या बनाना है, सब्जी कहाँ से लाना है, कोविड में नीचे जाना है, नहीं जाना है. What about the children? What do we make? What do we ask them today? How's my child behaving? Why is he sad? So many decisions. What do I do? Improvisation. learning from experiences. We all learn today, below, through. Okay, these two people can be brother sisters also. Where am I believing in my belief system that only teacher and student are like this? Am I moving beyond my critical consciousness? Am I breaking my beliefs? Critical thinking, of course, it does in all the probabilities, 100%. Imagination, and very important, it also creates a sense of resolution. Resolution doesn't mean a solution, but creating possibilities. It creates possibilities and empathy. Yes, so we'll just take a pause here. Any questions till now? Any questions till now before we move ahead? Anybody from the audience, maybe?
Oh, lovely. I think you are just getting this whole thing into, such a holistic experience for everybody right now. So we are understanding all these different nuances which are there in applied arts. But yeah, we would want to know what is, how it is connected to the NEP 2020. And of course, how does it really translate into all these things that you mentioned?
Sure. Thank you.
Anita, you want to ask a question?
Anita, please go ahead. Yes, I'll come to Amrita, your question too. Yes.
Sorry if I've interrupted. Please go ahead. I can wait. Not a problem.
Yeah, I'll take yours, both of yours together.
Okay.
Yeah, no problem.
I was wondering about emotional expression, because that also needs to be worked on and expressed by the children, not just by the teacher. So that's one thing that I really would like to know.
Absolutely. So I will take, in fact, these are very related questions, what Amrita also spoke and you. So as I said in the beginning, I'll come to what is applied theatre. Because there is drama, there is theatre, and there is applied theatre. So if an understanding of this is achieved, you will understand, Anita, what your answer will come to a fruition. Question will come to a fruition. So theatre is a space of it comes from a Greek word called theatros, means a place to watch. Like aap hamesha bolte hain, I'm going to a theatre movie hall, theatre hall. You don't say drama hall. Yeah. So where you go to watch, it's a spectacle that you watch. Drama also comes from a Greek word, but it comes from a Greek word drawn, D-R-A-N, with a little apostrophe. It means to do an action. That means a process. So theatre is like the juice served, but process is the mixer, grinder, वो पूरा जो ताम झाम हमें होता है वो सब ड्रामा चल रहा है. बोलते हैं ड्रामा चला रखा है. Yes, so that's the process in a classroom. Like what we did right now is drama. Actually, you didn't perform. There was no production value to this, but there's a learning process value. Then there is applied theatre. Of course, all are related. We can't say this is different and we are absolutely separate. There are points of integration and points of separation. So applied theatre was coined officially in early 2000, and it was given that name, but it was happening even before, like I would say, if you've heard of Natya Shastra by Bharat Muni, then the Greek theatre 10,000 years ago, at the Greek theatre, Epidaurus was very famous. Now to your question, Anita, a Greek theatre, Epidaurus, it still exists. There is a sanctuary outside of the theatre where in 10,000 years ago, the people who were to come and watch the theatre had to be in the sanctuary and see what's their mental health. And if somebody was depressed, sad, had to spend some time in the sanctuary with the priests, with the healers, so that they could go and be with those theatre artists. So the theatre space had a mental health and had psychologists like you. Silappatikaram, one of the ancient Tamil literature, the protagonist who went through her own journey of mental depression was actually asked to dance with a set of dancers of the village to gain her depression, let her out of depression. Still, in a space in Uttar Pradesh called Bridge, near Bridge, Itawa, there is something called as Thali Ki Ramayan, where a person in the village, whenever he is bitten by a snake, these performers come and they beat the copper vessel and sing Ramayan, because the copper vibration doesn't allow the poison to travel through the body. And also the villagers gather as a community. So it's there. Art therapy, theatre therapy has been there since ages. So coming to applied theatre, as I said, has two very strong pillars as foundations. One is theatre of the oppressed. Theatre of the Oppressed work you just witnessed, Forum Theatre, Image Theatre, where we were freezing, we were asking questions, we were interacting. So one is that, and Theatre of the Oppressed, the name itself says it's for people who were oppressed in Brazil during the Civil War, farmers, exploitation of farmers. But over the years, we also have gone and taken this to academia and corporates. So with children, we do this work. And this is very therapeutic. We've had sexual violence, abuse cases through this theatre work, where girls have come up and spoken about their cases. Then the other work, which today we are focusing more on, is theatre in education. It's by Dorothy Heathcote, Peter Slade, Brian Way. They all developed this post-World War II. When entire Britain was going through a depression, the government wanted the children to be more joyful and create. So they started funding schools to have more drama teachers. There were only 5 drama teachers in entire, I read in the vicinity of Manchester, which rose up to 222 after the funding. So that was the, like post-World War II, that was the idea of theatre in education. And of course, now it is widely done in countries outside, very less in India. I must also confess that, very less in India. So this is what, Anita, I think if I answered it, I think it has a very strong social-emotional quotient to it. Okay, so as Amrita also spoke about NEP and its link, definitely NEP now talks about the separation. There is no separation now, if Roshan can just flash the slides. So NEP talks about 4.4. It talks about character building and creating holistic development of the child. And we just saw it in the slides before that how drama helps this too. So it's directly related. And then it tells that how now the subjects have to be integrated through storytelling, sports, and drama-based integrated learning. There is no escape. There's no escape. And it also very clearly says, which I always jump when I speak this, is the 4.9. Aap log please niche wala point pehle padhiyega. There is no hard separation between curricular, extracurricular. Hamari zindagi aaya, we have cried. We are not extracurricular people, please. We are now we are not co-curricular, we are core curricular, please. CORE. There is no demarcation between humanities, science, vocational, and academic streams. It cannot be. We are one integrated human being. How can we say Chetna yahan pe alag hai, wo theater artist hai, ye, So it's called all integration of that. And in fact, one of the schools we work with, there is no English literature teacher. It's a Cambridge school. And from grade 1 to 8, we are the only people who teach them English through applied theater. Yeah. Bela, you want to say something?
Yes, yeah. Chetna, can you share some tools that they can use in this? It will be really helpful.
Okay, sure. So let's do something again. Okay, so I'm going to again invite you all. So we've shared the tools of image theater, forum theater, and the spectacular intervention today. Now what we're going to do is another tool, okay, which is called the story whoosh. It's called a drama convention. It's called the story whoosh. And I will write about that in a while. So let's see what the story whoosh is. So in this, the facilitator takes any piece of text. Today, I'm going to, if you all know if there are any primary teachers, pre-primary teachers watching, it's called the Giving Tree. Anybody heard of the Giving Tree? Yes, no problem. Yes, so Giving Tree by Shel Silverstein. Yes, we are going to take one piece of the text today, and we are going to see how story whoosh works. So I might invite some of you, so be ready, okay? As a very, I don't believe in volunteership, no problem. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to read a text. I will read a text, and let's see what the actors would do. And let's ask, and you are also free to participate. I will invite you in a while. So let's begin our third drama convention, story whoosh. So 1, 2, 3, Roshan and Lini, whoosh. The boy stayed away for a long time, away from the tree. And when the boy eventually came back, the tree was happy.
After a long time,
But come, my boy. The tree whispered, she whispered, come and play.
Yes, yes. Hey, catch me. Okay.
But the boy said, I am too old now. As what Sandhya ji said, adults don't play. I feel now very sad to play.
Look at me. Look at me. I'm old. I'm big.
And freeze. So all the participants, I'm going to call you children. So why do you think the boy is not playing with the tree now? Boy said, I am too old to play. Do you think old people, elders don't play when they grow up? 14-year-old boys, 18-year-old boys. What about you? What do you all think?
I think they play different kinds of games now. They
Hmm.
don't play
They don't-
swinging on trees.
They don't climb on trees. And then we actually pay for workshops when we grow up to go for trekking and climbing on trees. Yes. Hi, Kanchan. Good to see you. Welcome. We are just doing a convention called Story Whoosh. Okay, so let's go live again. Okay, and live. The boy said, now, I want a boat that will take me far away from here. Okay, everybody, let's sing. Do you know this? Row, row, row your boat. Come on, everybody, let's go.
Down the
Row the
stream.
stream.
Merrily, 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 merrily.
Life is but a dream.
Wonderful, thank you. And so he wanted a boat. And he asked the tree, can you give me a boat? Can you give me a boat?
Give me a boat. I want to go.
Okay, and freeze. So, my dear participants, how can tree give him a boat? Tree doesn't manufacture boat. Kaise hoga ye? How can it happen? Kanchan, yes, you are raising your hand. We have one student. Very good. Kanchan, yes.
We will, the tree says that from my trunk, I'll give you the wood, you can make a boat out of it.
That is amazing. Tree is giving everything. Okay. So let's ask the tree. Kanchan, please, can you ask the tree how it can help the boy? Please talk to the tree. Tree and Kanchanji live. Both of you live. Yes.
Can you give me the trunk? May I have the trunk so that I can make the boat and use it?
Wow, Kanchanji, you are a born actor, looks like. Let me spotlight you. So I think we have a new boy. So the other boy can release. Yes. Okay. Boy can release. And
My boy,
yes.
I have never said no to you. Whatever you want, you can take. I'm ready to give.
So, Kanchan, you are the boy right now. Okay. So the boy takes the trunk, cuts down the trunk. Come on, let's cut. Come on, cut the trunk, cut the trunk, cut the trunk, cut. Everybody, you can make some soundscapes. Unmute. And how do you cut? Cut. Yes. And the tree gradually, yes. And the boy made a boat and sailed away and freeze. And here comes another drama convention called the rumors. RUMORS. I know it's not done in our society, but this is a drama convention. Now let's figure out, everybody, Kanchanji and everybody here, where do you think the boy went? Let's talk like we're talking like rumors. I think, yes, Amrita, yes, go.
I think he's gone to the other side of the river.
No, I think there is something else. He got a new job.
Really? Kanchan, my neighbor, hey, come. I think that boy got married to a very beautiful girl.
Is it?
What about you? Bela ji, Sandhya, Anita, Bindu? Where do you think the boy's gone?
I think he went to meet his friends on the other side to play with them.
Oh.
Because they like to be, they're 14, 18, you said, no, they like to be in a group, a team. He was alone near the tree.
Oh, Sandhya knows.
I think he went fishing to catch some fish for food.
Fish.
Oh, can be fishing also.
Fishing also, yes.
You are thinking so much, no?
I think he's found some treasure which he's going to find.
Bindu, now what? We should go now after him. What is
Yeah, we should.
Yeah, chalo. Yeah. What about you, Anita?
I think he's gone to study. Higher education, no.
Oh, yes. Study. Yeah. I know. Okay, Anita, yes, yes. We have to also study, I remember, yeah. Thank you for reminding. Okay, everybody, thank you. And actors release. Wonderful. Thank you. Okay, so what we did right now was again, so after we finish, we say story, whoosh, and the actors disappear, whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. Yes, we all can say 1, 2, 3, come on. 1, 2, 3, whoosh. Yes. And then for the next text, you can choose anybody else. Let's say Anita and Sandhya can come. So like that, you can invite children. Again, this is not a pressurizing thing to that they should have acting skills because you're co-leading them. You know, you're hand holding them with the dialogues, with the feelings, and also appreciating what they speak, what they also speak. And can somebody tell me what would the Dharma convention rumors, why did we employ this? What would rumors do?
The imagination of people of certain things, something they have seen, and afterwards they want to know further, but they're left to imagination.
Yes.
What happened?
Yes, yes, imagination, absolutely. What else? What else?
Very, very important part of learning anything is prediction. So I think this is what you're really teaching them.
Absolutely, absolutely. And also a prediction, and with a lot of prediction comes ownership, because you're calculating, you're devising, you're co-devising, self-devising, and you're owning that in the process. Yes, association and connection, absolutely. Anita, please, can you say more? Very interesting.
Yes, for example, when we get to see the beginning of it, then we also attach ourselves emotionally to it, and then anything that is running through our mind is what we connect to what we have seen, and that's how the association develops and we think further.
Absolutely. So it can be from near to far to, as Tagore said, what we've experienced to what we've not. It can come back. Absolutely. So if you saw these drama conventions, what we did today, they don't, one thing which I like is it can be done in a classroom setup. You don't need to move furniture too. Sometimes you feel that there are also a lot of students. You can be sitting, you can do that freeze frame. You don't have to like have a big space. This also, you don't have to have a big space. In fact, in small boxes, we've been doing, sitting and doing. Yes, so but we could still stir up the whole idea of thinking, creative thinking, association, connections, predictions, everything. So likewise, we also do maths, speed, permutation. Also, we've done it through theater. We teach students, and also chemistry, reactive metal reactivity series, Einstein's, all those Newton's law, everything we have done through theater, and it's possible. It's possible. So we also actually run a lot of teachers program, which I think Amrita and Bela would also be soon announcing with us. We'll be taking out and announcing the programs. We are already doing a lot of work with teachers as a year-long program with teachers in Hyderabad, teachers in Malegaon, Nashik. So it's also our endeavor to reach, and I think Amrita and Bela are doing some amazing trust. I think it was a great trust that they invited us here. So before we end, I'm going to just flash the screen for the tools that you asked, so that you can take a screenshot with some reading references if you want to read more books. So these are some of the tools we did. Teacher enroll. So you can also become, if you are the teacher, so sometimes what we do is, let me just quickly stop. So what we do is, if you saw that I changed my scarf when I became the child. So you can actually make this as a mnemonic, like a symbol, a prop, or you can take a hat or a jacket or something like that. So you teach the children know that now she's not Chetna, now she's the Soham or Mohan or that girl. And when you take it out, they will know. And sometimes they enter the class also like this. Hello, everybody. So they know now the theater, it has started. Yes, and then you put it back, then you are back as, you know. So this is called teacher enroll and teacher outroll. And students can also become that. You can also give the role to the student. So today you become, if you are doing the last leaf by O. Henry, for example, there's a painter called Berman. So you become Berman today. You take the hat. Yeah. So teacher enroll is this, teacher out of role. And then we did today was hot sitting. Also that we were talking, hot sitting means you ask the character or the person to talk to you about what's their issue, what's the conflict, as Soham and Mohan spoke about their conflict. And you can go on, like we did a chapter of Rabindranath Tagore, the post office, we are doing it with grade 8. So we had Rabindranath Tagore coming in, and the child became the Rabindranath Tagore through a teacher enrolled, and the students were free to ask him, okay, where were you born? How many children you had? When did you die? What was your... So the child is also prepared, and the children are also asking thoughtful questions, very, very well-framed questions. That today you saw forum theater, freeze, live. Binduji said 1, 2, 3 live. And then we asked each other. Anita ji came and became the spectator. Image freeze. And then we also do something called as letter writing. Like what happened when we did this forum, this work of the last week we are doing with grade 3 and 4. So children wrote a letter to O. Henry. And they performed, they collected their letter. Oh, Henry, why do you think you wrote this? Why did you think you went to jail? What happened to you? Why were you embezzled? Why were you in the case of embezzlement? I want to read more of your books. So then they collected these poems and we created a performance out of it. Yes, so we can do this. And the last one is, these are some of the books that you can refer. You can take a screenshot or take a photo from your mobile. Peter Slade, Games for Actors and Non-Actors. Dorothy Heathcote's work, very, very important for all teachers to read. Process Drama, Theatre of the Oppressed work, Aesthetics of the Oppressed. Helen Nicholson, A Pride Drama. और हिंदी में अगर आपको रुचि है तो संगीत, कला, नृत्य और रंगमंच के आप किताब पढ़ सकते हैं. उम्मीद जागते शिक्षक, ये दोनों अजीम प्रेमजी फाउंडेशन की किताबें. So I think we can stop sharing. Yes.
Oh my God, you summed it so well. There's nothing really left to be said. And this brought me back to when I was in college and in, a drama group. And we used to just think of it as so much fun. And thinking that really I want to go back right now. So if all of you here want to join us in a course which has been curated by Chetna and her group, please write to us at the abcdshow6@gmail.com. We are working out dates. And I think a 2-3 day course is enough, Chetna, for an educator.
Yeah, a 3-day course is good. And it'll be good.
And around 2 hours a day?
Yes, 2 hours a day is great, yes.
So great. So I think it's going to suit everyone's time because 2 hours a day, 3 days is just perfect, I guess. Yes, Anita, it's online. Right now we are all online and we want people to come in from everywhere. These kind of, I would like to say gifts. I don't know of a better word to say. Gems, jewels, gifts, These are tools that every teacher should use in a classroom and make it interactive, make it come alive and make it, and become like Roshan. What else do I say?
So, Amrita, sorry to just come in. Maybe we have just one last minute. We are going to just wrap up with a little demonstration of what playback theatre looks like. So maybe one word each, like how Amrita, you said, alive. I heard in your voice, alive, like Roshan, your teachers like that. So everybody, if you can tell us with one word or a line, what did you feel through this session today? And if you're going to take back to your classrooms, are you going to take any tool here today and go back? So we can quickly demonstrate through a theater piece. Just one word is also good, no problem. Come on, Anna, Teresa, Bindu, Kanchan, Sandhya, yes.
I want the ones on Facebook also to participate. Write it down in your chat over there because I am looking on my phone.
Yes, cool. Fun-filled learning. What else? What else? Come on, any tool that you really liked, what you really want to take back. Sandhya, you are typing, looks like. What about Bindu? Yes, and animation, excitement. Wonderful, Anita. Fun-filled learning, yes. What else? Teresa, Kanchan, yes. Please share. Energetic and alive, yes. So any tool that you really like, image theater, forum theater, story whoosh, which one do you think would you like to practice? Engaged, Kanchan is messaging me, yes. Engaged, yes. Okay. Story theater, story whoosh, okay, that's yours, Sandhya, okay. So everybody, we have a voicemail message. Kanchan, yes, please share. You are unmuting yourself, yes. Yeah, you can unmute, yes.
I said it was an engaging session, which I liked it. The theatre which they've presented is the same which we look forward for our little ones during our classes.
Okay, okay, cool, wonderful. Thank you, Kanchan. And here we are. Everybody, you just spoke. You have to check quickly, you have to check your voicemail message. There is a voicemail message for you after the beep, beep, beep.
Hello, everyone. Hello, everyone. I am the story Whoosh talking to you. And I'm coming, all of you, I'm going to whoosh and excitement and bring excitement in your classes, alive and excitement. Story Whoosh talking.
Hello everyone! I am all the theatre tools. Yes, you can take anything and you can play with it. Story Whoosh answers so many things. Yes, yes, yes. This is all for you. Yes. Come on, come on, come on.
Hello everyone, I am the children of your class. I want to send you a message. Oh, please, please, let me have this fun. Let me have all of this fun. I am your student talking.
Hello. I am the strict teacher inside you. Yeah. You know, even I want to play. Even I want to do something. But why don't you do? Change me. Come on, come on. Every time I'm with this frown, I'm in frown face. I'm also getting bored. Please.
Hello, Anita. This is Soham. Do you remember? Okay, please. I just wanted to tell you, I have learned a small trick from my younger brother, and it is now fun. It is now really fun.
Yes. Take away. Quick. Yes, everyone. This is
Hurry, Whoosh.
History teacher, this is for you. Yes, history teacher, this is for you. And English teacher, this is for you. Come on.
I want to leave this.
Thank you. Thank you, actors, and thank you, everybody.
Oh, it's simply brilliant. And we all want that story Whoosh. So let's just grab. And everybody, please write to us, the abcdshow6@gmail.com. Call and tell us, how interested you are, and tell your friends and tell your colleagues. And let's start this class. Thanks, Chetna. It was lovely.
Thank you,
Roshan and Lily. Thank you, Roshan, Lily, and Chetna. Thanks a lot for this lovely performance.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Amrita and Bela, for making these forums. Actually, we really need people like you to bring this applied theatre, art, and aesthetics out to the world. So you are the channels. Hats off to you. And to all these amazing students today. Very good. Good job, people.
Thanks for everyone.
Thank you so much, Lini and Roshan, to you also. Thanks,
Lini and Roshan.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye, everyone. See you all.